Oh, my hands and feet are so cold it can't warm up. Is that opening scene you? Well, today I'm going to give you some tips on warming up those hands and feet naturally at home. Hello, those that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about home remedies that are easy to do to warm those cold hands and feet this winter. So let's get on to our tips. Tip number one, of course, is you can use blankets, socks, and heaters to warm those cold hands and feet. But in many cases, those items aren't appropriate and we will need to seek other things that we can do to warm your hands and feet. So let's move on to tip number two. Number two is to ditch those caffeinated drinks. What? Yes, caffeine constricts blood vessels and therefore constricts blood flow to your extremities, like your hands and your feet, which therefore makes them colder. So ditching that caffeine will work to eliminate that issue. So what do we do instead? Tip number three is to grab yourself a hot herbal tea. That's right, the heat from a hot tea will get your blood going, but not only that, herbs like yarrow, ginger, and even green tea will get your blood flowing and improve the circulation throughout your body going into your hands and feet. So grab yourself a nice hot herbal tea. Tip number four. Speaking of moving on, let's talk about the next tip that I have is to get moving. That's right, whether it is running, walking, exercising, or just moving around, it gets your blood flowing. Blood flow creates better circulation in your hands and feet. Therefore, you will have nice, warm hands and feet to keep going through the day. So get up and get moving. So moving on to tip number five is get some spice going in your life. Well, I wasn't necessarily talking about that spice in your life, but it will get the blood flowing. I was referring to the spices in the kitchen. Nice warm herbs like curry or cayenne, ginger, or even garlic will create better circulation in your body, which gets circulation to your hands and feet, warming them up. So today I've given you a lot of great tips on improving the circulation in your hands and feet, which in turn warms them up in the wintertime. As you collect and learn all of this great information, you want to get it in one location. And that's why you need to be creating your own herbal reference journal. Creating something like this, it can seem a bit daunting when you first look at it. That's why I created your personal herbal reference journal starter kit. With this kit, you get natural remedies for about 100 of the common ailments that you will find in the home. Not only that, you'll get a data sheet for my top 20 herbs that are easy to find for you to reference. Then you also receive the Herbal Action and Property Index, which cross-references issues and common herbs that are used for those issues. And you get a reference list for referring to good herbal books and websites that I recommend to look out for when expanding your herbal knowledge. All of this is designed to be expanded as you learn. It will grow with you, and before you know it, you will have a nice chunky personal herbal reference journal of your own, similar to this. So check out the link below and grab your personal herbal reference journal starter kit today. So I hope you like this video. Leave in the comment section what your remedies are for cold hands and feet. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye. So for more information like what I gave today, go check out bekkasplanet.com. I'll see you there.